Good afternoon, Dave Johnston here with Day Trade the Markets. You can see my time over here. This is the Pacific time, so it's 3:24 Eastern time, and a little under an hour left in the market. Today is Monday, August 21st, 2017, and I've just been filled long here. Been filled long here for two contracts at 57.79, the emini Nasdaq. This is the September contract for 2017. You can see I've also got an order down in here to buy another two at 57.76. So trying to get filled a little bit more there. I am going to go ahead and put in a protective sell stop down in here below the low of that green bar. As the green bar is good, strong buying. We've really had a strong rejection here off of this fairly large red bar. Now the red bar is our second strongest of the three as far as our aggressive selling bars are concerned. So pretty strong aggression there, and you can see absolutely no follow through at all, which is another sign of likely capitulation. And when we did break through, we've broken through with a nice bit of very strong aggressive buying. So I think there's really a turn here back towards the upside, even though today we have had a good downside. As a matter of fact, if I squeeze the chart here, you can see here's the full day, the 2-minute chart, initial bounce, but then a very strong sell-off here. We came up and hit the high of that, and we have backed off here, coming back down into this consolidation area where you can see we've just dipped into it here with the aggression. And so my thought really is that this huge area of consolidation here with a mini area, sort of a box formation at the low of that, will likely act as support now that we have come in and tested and been rejected, and then get back on the stick and try and get back up here into the higher levels here around 57.95 or so. So I do have a stop in down here, as you can see, for 4. Should we get filled on the other two down here. In the meantime, though, what I will do is just if we do get a really strong spike, I want to go ahead and be able to participate in that. So we're long from 79. So if I 57.79, if I put it at 57.89, let me just, that's 10 points. Let me try and sell one there for now. We'll just leave that, see if we do get that spike. I could very well change that if the market does come down and fill us for these other two contracts. So we'll just leave it like that. So just been in this trade here for a couple of minutes, and I'll put the recording on pause and get back to it as the market dictates. Okay, just restarting the recording here again. I'm going to cancel this buy limit down in here for these other 4. I'm sorry, that's the sell stop. I'm going to cancel this buy limit here. And I am going to put in a sell stop here at break even. So you can see here we were long from 79. The market did make it up to 86. So I really don't want to make this or turn this straight into a loser. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this right up exactly to our break even, our entry price there at 57.79. So just wanted to bring you up to date on that. And we've been in this trade now for about 10 or 12 minutes. So just want to bring you up to date on that. And we did get fairly close up here. I think it hit 86, 86.50, and our sell limit is at 89. So anyway, just want to bring you up to date on that. And once again, I'll pause the recording. Okay, just resuming the recording here. The market has just come up to within, I think, 2 or 3 ticks right here of our objective. We still have our stop in here at break even for the 2 contracts, so I'm just going to leave it there for the time being, but hopefully we'll get filled on this one here. It's only half an hour left in the trading session, so obviously going to have to get out of this before that, within the half hour. But just wanted to bring you up to date where we're at, and once again, I'll go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, just restarting the recording. You see it's 12:50. So I've been in this trade for roughly 30 minutes or so, and we just got filled right here at 89. So that was our 10 points that we wanted to exit on our first objective. So that's been done. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the stop. I'm going to bring it right up to here, And obviously I need to make an adjustment as well, not only on its location but the quantity, because we only have one contract left, and I brought that right up to 84.50. So I wanted to bring it up. The reason I placed it there is just below where this market has had this nice last move up from. And so this now becomes our next target up into this area here, around about the 96 area or so. And I think what I'll go ahead and do is if I can get a trade from, let's say, 79 to 96, that's what, 17 points or so. We made 10 on the first one. We do have a bit of time left. There is still roughly 20, 25 minutes left in the trading session. But I'm going to go ahead and put one in at 96. I'm going to feel good if we get filled there. That'll be a nice profit on that second contract, because I would, I was trying to get long 4 contracts here, but as you know, it didn't dip enough for us to get filled on the other 2. So that's where we're rolling along to. But I'll leave that in for right now. Sell limit there, and I'll just go ahead and use one of these markers here that I create, just that little blue line, so we know where that is. And this, of course, is this was our first objective here. So just want to bring you up to date on that, and I'll go ahead and pause the recording. Pick it up as the market dictates, certainly before the market closes today. Okay, just restarted the recording here again. There's only, you can see it's a little 1:11, so there's like 4 minutes left in the trading session. So we've got our stop in here at 84.50. I'm just going to go ahead and bring this down here and sell this at 86.50, just where it is right now. Yeah, we just got filled on that. So that's our fill. It's at 86.50. So we were long from 79. So that's 7.5 there, plus we got our 10 there. So 17.5 points on that trade. We did not reach our objective up there, but still got 17.5 points just on the 2 contracts. And I think what I liked about this trade was the fact that when you take a look at the entire day here, you can see that, I'll just kind of squeeze it together again a little bit. You can, as I was saying earlier in the video, that we had very strong down move here. We came up and tested it. We came back down to where that breakout had started, and it was rejected. And we knew it was rejected because we had a nice red bar right here, which is our second strongest aggressive selling bar, second only to these magentas that you can see over here. Now, when it did come down and test into here, it tested into this area of consolidation, sort of this box formation that we had right here, and you can see no follow through whatsoever, just an individual bar. And when its high was taken out, it started to move up with good aggression, which was this green bar here is when we got in. So we were able to partake in this up move in here and get our 10 points and 7.5 points on the 2 contracts for a total of 17.5. So, nothing, kind of a basic trade really as far as utilizing the software is concerned. So, and then of course we use it as well to help us manage the trade. So, hope you got something out of that. If you have any questions, you can reach us at info@daytradethemarkets. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.